Today is March 17th, 2022. It is a special day. Um, Yesterday was Marty and my 7th anniversary. We got married on February 16th, 2016. That was yesterday. We'd been together 2 years before that. So we've now been together for 9 years total, 2 years dating, 1 year married, and now 6 years apart. So we've been apart double as long as we've been together, which is funny, but like in a not like laugh out loud funny kind of way. Yeah, so I wanted to do a video to say happy anniversary to him. I hope he's doing well. Maybe just do some updates since I'm here. And then maybe I can talk about what the wedding was like. And today is also a big day because this is the day of his arrest, February 17th, 2016. That was, if you recall, he was arrested from a Disney cruise ship. So, okay, so let's start with some updates. Let's see. So recently we've been working on getting an attorney for the Supreme Court. Marty's appeal was denied in his petition for rehearing, so the whole thing was denied on December 30th, and that's when the 90-day clock to file a writ of certiorari with the Supreme Court starts. So today is, I think, like the 45-day mark, so we have another 45 days to get it in. We have been looking for Supreme Court counsel, and it's been challenging because I haven't spoken to Marty since September. No calls, no emails. They're just punishing him. I think they took away his calls and emails for like 280 days, and they disabled my number. So that makes it difficult because I can't talk with him about things. And when he was moved to USP Marion recently, to the other CMU, they also had him in quarantine. So he also wasn't able to speak with attorneys. He wasn't able to get attorneys' calls. So I've been finding some people, and last week they were able to start having some consults with him. We haven't totally picked somebody yet, but we're hoping to grab everything to pick somebody by the end of next week. I hope it goes well. There's a pretty low rate of how many cases the Supreme Court takes. I think thousands are submitted every year, and like a very small percentage actually get heard by the court. But, fingers crossed. We're going to do everything we can. People do like the Speedy Trial Act issue, though, for the people that are interested. That seems to be of interest to them for sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I think Marty might be out of solitary now that he got to the new CMU. I didn't want to make an announcement because I didn't totally understand if that was the case or not, so I am going to try to figure that out, but I think that might be the case. So that's where we are with his case and with legal stuff, and we plan to update the website, and later this year we'll have something really cool come out, but we'll have to wait for that. Okay, so those were the housekeeping items. That's what's going on with Marty lately. And yeah, our anniversary. I can tell you about our wedding if you want. So Marty proposed to me while we were living together, and it was a really tumultuous time because we were fighting for my brother to bring him out of or to get him out of Logan River Academy, which is a residential treatment center in Utah. And he just, it was a very stressful time, and I just like really gotten pretty intense with my parents to let him out. And he was like, "Oh, don't worry," and then he like just got on a knee while we were sitting on the couch and just like proposed there. It wasn't anything fancy. And I said yes. And I'm pretty sure like he did it again like a couple of times. And I'm like, yeah, I already said yes, it's fine. And it was exciting. It was a very stressful time, but I was happy. Um, and then his dad is like very good at coordinating, so his dad really like took care of all of the details for us, like catering and venue and flowers, and it was like super low key. For like we almost did no work. It was so nice. We had it at his parents' retirement village in Florida, so it was like a destination wedding. Um, and yeah, we had it in Florida. Um, it was nice. You guys have seen some pictures. The picture on the Free Marty G site is from that day, of course. I don't usually wear tube top white dresses. um, but it was nice. It was fun. After the wedding, we went to the like hotel or whatever that his sister was staying at, and we went swimming. So I like my hair was still done, and I was just like, let's just go swimming. So it's, it was pretty low key. It was nice. I think I had like heels, but then like I got some flats, some silver flats from like Ross the night before, so I could be comfortable. So I guess Ross will always hold a place in my heart for that. Um, and then fast forward a year, our first anniversary we spent on the Disney cruise ship together. It was like it was a bittersweet time because we had 3 days together before we knew Marty would be arrested. So it was just, we were together, but we kind of knew that it was going to be a very scary tomorrow. Um, so the FBI or whoever it was came into our room on the cruise ship early in the morning. They arrested him, and we walked through the ship into customs where they separated us, and I stayed with all of our stuff while they went through everything, and he went into a room. And that's how everything began. That was the first day. It's been a long time. It's been 6 years since then. Literally to the day, six years. Um, God, what a long trip it's been. Um, there's about 3 years left if he doesn't get out before then. Um, his release date is December 2024, so it's about 3 years from now, because all of 2022, all of 2023, and then all of 2024. So I hope that he gets out sooner than that. If he is able, he's asked to participate in something called RDAP, RDAP. I can't remember what it stands for, but that would take some time off if they allow him to do that. And I really hope he gets the Supreme Court writ of certiorari granted, and he gets to argue his case, because that could mean that his conviction would be overturned and vacated, and that would just be the best of all worlds. He will have still done the majority of the time, but it would also take off I think it's like $1 million or $1.5 million in restitution. So The government would still have the option to bring the case again, depending on whether it's denied with prejudice or without prejudice. Um, but like he's already done so much time, like is it even worth it to them? I don't know. So yeah, those are the updates. Thank you so much for your donations. I just sent him $400 in commissary because he's at a new place. So that was really helpful. Your donations really mean so much to us. They really keep the lights on for him in terms of like getting food and all this stuff. But don't worry, I'm personally putting in a lot too. It's not like I'm would only ask other people to do it. So thank you for watching, and hope everyone has a great day. Bye.